Alright, if you've got newer hardware, that's pretty super simple. You just gotta make sure a few BIOS settings are turned on. Your system's gotta be running in UEFI mode, Secure Boot's gotta be enabled, and you need TPM 2.0. To check that, restart PC and hit the BIOS key when it's booting up. Usually F2, F12, delete or escape depends on your brand. Once you're in the BIOS menu, look under Security or Boot. You'll see options for TPM, sometimes it's called PTT or FTPM, depending on your Intel or AMD, and also Secure Boot. Just switch this on, save the settings and restart. After that, go to Settings, Updates and Security, and check for updates. If your PC meets the Windows 11 25S2 requirements, the updates are gonna show up right there. Just click Update, sit back, and you're good to go. No data loss at all. But hey, what if your PC doesn't meet those requirements? Don't worry, I've got a method that works on any unsupported PC. And again, you won't lose your apps, settings, or files. Quick heads up 3. Windows 11 really needs at least 8 gigs of RAM and an SSD to run smooth. If you don't have that, honestly, just stay on Windows 10. And before we start, make sure to pull backup of your PC, just in case. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can roll right back. Okay, first step, open the Start menu, search for CMT, right click, and run it as admin. Then type DISM space / online space / get-intl. This will show your default system UI language. In my case, it is ENUS. Super important to remember this, cause you grab the different ISO language later, the upgrade's gonna fail. Next, open the browser and search for download Windows 11 ISO. Click on Microsoft's official site. Scroll down to Windows 11 Disk Image ISO selection. Choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. That one's got all versions. Pick the same language you saw earlier in CMT and hit confirm, and then click 64-bit download. The file's around 5 gigs, so just let it finish. Once it's done, head over to download folder, right click on the ISO, and hit mount. That opens up like a virtual DVD drive. Copy all the files from there into a new folder on your C drive. Call it something simple, like Win11, so it's easy to find. Now here's the trick. Open CMD as admin again. And type C:\Win11 /setup.exe /product server. The command tells the installer to skip hardware checks. The setup window will pop up. And you'll see 3 options: keep files, settings, and apps, keep personal files only, or nothing. Pick the first one, keep files, settings, and apps. That way everything stays the same, even your wallpaper and installed programs. From here, just follow the steps on screen. The install's gonna take some time, and your PC will restart a bunch of times. Don't freak out, that's totally normal. Just let it do its thing. Once it's finished, you'll boot right into Windows 11. Log in like usual, boom, you're on Windows 11, even on unsupported hardware. After that, you can go back and delete Win11 folder from your C drive to free up space. And that's pretty much it, guys. Whether you've got a brand new system or an older one that doesn't meet the requirements, now you know how to get Windows 11 25ST without losing your stuff. If you helped you out, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this with someone still stuck on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.